You've heard of aloe vera and lavender, but have you ever heard of the resurrection plant? This plant looks completely dead, brown, dry and curled up. But give it a little water, and within hours it comes back to life. It can survive for years without water, shriveling up to protect itself from extreme heat and drought. But here's where it gets even crazier. Scientists are studying its ability to revive itself, hoping to apply the same mechanism to human medicine and even food preservation. Therefore, this dead plant might hold the secret to extending the life of cells. Imagine if humans could do that.